an overview.
My name is Sai, and I'm an exchange student from the University of Technology, Sydney, and I today attended the ALSA Guest Lecture on cross-border disputes and international arbitration. So, from a personal perspective, I didn't know much about commercial arbitration going into this lecture, and now coming out of it, I feel that I've gained a new, invaluable understanding as to how junior graduates, law students, and junior lawyers should be proceeding when they take on commercial arbitration matters in real-world settings. So with that being said, thank you to ALSA for organizing this event, and thank you to the sponsors PELINDO and to ICCA for helping us bring this event to life. Thank you so much.
Hello, we're from Group 4, and we recently just want to thank you for our NND ALSA for the team of arbitration regarding cross-border disputes. We have learned quite a lot. That's why we've come into really good discussions regarding our international arbitrations and what's the difference regarding national arbitrations as well, and regarding the transparency and public policies, and regarding multiple parties that we have been taught as well. We do want to thank our sponsors for this event as well, for
PT PELINDO and also ICCA.
and lastly, ALSA OSU.
ALSA